Hello, glad to welcome you to my channel YouTube Personal Coat of Arms. In this example Range Rover I made a sticker. Show how you can decorate a gift. If you want to become the owner of a personal monogram or to give someone a royal gift, I will be glad to help you with this by creating a beautiful sticker design. I am an artist, I can create amazing exquisite and beautiful things. At your request, I will draw for you a personal monogram, logo, letters, as well as a monogram. You will be able to pass my work from generation to generation, leaving a memory of yourself in the hearts. On request, I do it in a velvet frame. It will look great on the wall of the living room or office, as well as on dishes. Putting the finishing touch on your letters and postcards will create a very special atmosphere around you. Thank you for watching the works of Yuri Morozov. Phone number for ordering in Russia.